This is Mr. Chan talking about creative engineering for DSST Montview. This is a 9th grade elective or a 10th grade elective. The class is the same. So if you don't get to do it in your 9th grade year, you do have the opportunity to try to get it in your 10th grade year. Quick overview of what I'm trying to teach you guys is, number one, want you guys to feel comfortable with any tool in the building. All right. My goal is for you guys to feel comfortable enough with tools for my class that by the time you guys are 20 something and buying your own house with that college education that you guys have and that nice job you've earned, that you're not afraid to build stuff by yourself or remodel a house by yourself. That's how good I want you guys to be with tools. So we'll definitely be having a unit on that. Definitely want to hop into anything that's computer aided design known as CAD, where we learn how to draw objects using computer aided software. Um, Definitely going to use the 3D printers that we have in our building, and we're going to print those objects that you design yourself. And then my favorite thing about creative engineering is we give you the opportunity to come up with inventions of your own to solve real problems. Who knows, some of your inventions might become the next $1 million idea on Shark Tank. All right. So if something like this interests you, sign up for creative engineering, and I'll see you guys in the fall.